Welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. You know, a lot of people say to me, Harry, why are you making potato videos all the time? Well, they're cheap, it's easy, so why not? You know, if you have some extra potatoes laying around, take advantage of that. There's a whole lot more you can do to potatoes than bake them or mash them. This week I decided to make some Herbed Potato Wedges. I'll tell you what, they turned out really good. Want to see how I made them? Come follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Oh yeah. Boy, it's amazing what you can do with a potato, I'll tell you. What do you think, Mabel? Only you would recreate a French fry and make a video out of it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that is cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living. Making cooking fun again. Don't forget, if you liked it, click the like button. Subscribe, share it with a friend. Don't forget to remember to thank our Creator. My prayer is that Jesus would keep you safe until we meet again. Thanks again.